Welcome to Celebration and Honor channel. This channel is dedicated to celebrating global events, honoring the unsung heroes and showing solidarity with victims of injustice by amplifying their voices and sharing their stories. Please, stay tuned to the end as we honor those who lost their lives at the Second World War. This video will take you on a powerful journey of remembrance and reconciliation for a message you won't forget. Now today, Remembrance. Time of remembrance and reconciliation for those who lost their lives during the Second World War. The theme of our celebration is honoring the fallen, remembering and rebuilding a future of peace. On this time of remembrance and reconciliation, we pause to honor the lives lost during the Second World War, a period that shaped nations and lives in ways we continue to feel today. The sacrifices made by those who fought and those who suffered during this devastating conflict remind us of the true cost of peace and the importance of unity. As we remember the lives lost, we also recognize the tremendous role they played in the rebuilding of our societies, in forging new alliances, and in laying the foundation for a world that values peace, justice, and human dignity. This day calls for reflection, reconciliation, and a renewed commitment to ensuring that the horrors of war are never repeated. Through remembrance, we pay tribute to the resilience and strength of those who fought for a better world, one where nations stand together in solidarity and shared hope. Remembrance is not merely about reflecting on the past, it is a powerful call to action for the present and future. It is a time to reflect on how the world came together after such destruction, how communities and nations rebuilt, and how individuals found the strength to heal. In remembering, we also commit ourselves to the values that emerged from the ashes of war, the importance of peace, cooperation, and understanding. By coming together in this moment of remembrance and reconciliation, we ensure that the sacrifices made by those who lost their lives in the war continue to guide our actions, helping us build a more compassionate, just, and peaceful world. The power of remembrance. Learning from the past to build a better future. Just a quick break. Please consider subscribing to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get updates on upcoming global events. Subscription is free. After watching, kindly like, comment, and share. Welcome back. The time of remembrance is more than just a historical reflection. It is a powerful call to action. Consider the story of Emily, a young historian dedicated to preserving the stories of her grandparents, who lived through the horrors of the Second World War. Her grandfather fought in the war, while her grandmother experienced the hardships of wartime occupation. Emily's work ensures their voices live on, passed down through generations. Learning about my family's experiences during the war was difficult, but it was also empowering, Emily explains. By sharing these stories, I honor the sacrifices made and remind others of the importance of peace. Her efforts are a testament to the role of remembrance in shaping the future, as she actively ensures that the lessons of the past continue to guide her generation. In the Netherlands, where the scars of wartime occupation still run deep, Lucas, an educator, uses the history of the war to teach his students about tolerance and resilience. Many of my students have no direct connection to the war, but I make sure they understand how it shaped our country and the world, Lucas says. Remembrance is not just about honoring those who died, it's about teaching our future leaders to appreciate peace and strive to protect it. Lucas's work exemplifies how remembrance serves as a bridge between past and present, providing a foundation for future generations to build a more peaceful and understanding world. Rita, a social worker from Poland, reflects on how the war has shaped her work in reconciling communities that were torn apart by conflict. As a child, I heard countless stories of loss, but I also saw the strength of people coming together after such devastation, Rita shares. My role is to help people heal, to remind them of the importance of reconciliation. Rita's focus on healing through dialogue and understanding has helped many individuals affected by the war rebuild their lives. Peace is not something that happens automatically, she says. It's a choice, and it requires the hard work of bringing people together, regardless of their past. Remembrance and reconciliation are the first steps toward a better future. Finally, in the United Kingdom, Thomas, a veteran who fought during the war, has dedicated his life to working with other veterans to ensure their stories and experiences are never forgotten. I fought for peace, and now I fight to make sure we don't forget why it's so important, Thomas explains. Through remembrance, we honor those we lost, but we also ensure that future generations understand the value of peace. Through his work with veterans and war memorials, Thomas helps preserve the legacy of the fallen, ensuring that their courage and sacrifice continue to inspire the world. To all who champion remembrance and reconciliation, your work matters. Thank you to all those who work tirelessly to preserve the memories of the fallen, who educate the public about the importance of peace, and who dedicate themselves to building bridges between divided communities. Your efforts are integral to keeping the lessons of the Second World War alive, and to ensuring that future generations understand the true cost of war. By fostering remembrance and reconciliation, you help create a world where healing is possible, where understanding triumphs over division, and where peace is not just a hope, but a reality. We stand with you in this vital work and honor the profound impact of your efforts to shape a world of unity and peace. To those who have yet to engage in the work of remembrance, now is the time. If you have not yet connected with organizations or initiatives focused on remembrance and reconciliation, now is the time to get involved. Whether you're interested in learning more about the history of the Second World War, supporting veterans, or promoting peace through dialogue, there are countless ways you can contribute to this important cause. By engaging in these efforts, you help ensure that the sacrifices of those who fought and died for peace will not be forgotten. The work of remembrance and reconciliation is not just for historians, it is for all of us. Your voice and actions are crucial in creating a future built on the lessons of the past, where conflict is resolved through understanding, and where peace reigns. Time of remembrance and reconciliation for those who lost their lives during the Second World War. We stand in solidarity with them. Let's raise our glasses to toast and celebrate the unsung heroes of Second World War. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Agba Terre. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next. The 10th of May, World Migration Bird Day. The 12th of May, International Day of Plant Health. 15th MAYINTERNATIONAL Day of Families. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.